this morning with the brand new 2021 TRD Pro. It's got 41 miles on it, so
nice.
it's pretty.
That's freaking sweet.
Still got the new car smell.
I know, it's nice.
It's coming out through. It's a rock mobile section here. You're gonna feel the whole suspension kind of absorb itself, move around, all the fun stuff there.
Nice.
So the nice part about the truck, though, it does get about 13, 14 inches of travel suspension all the way through.
Sweet.
So now we're gonna throw in the 4 high up here, going up through here.
Okay.
And then you're gonna feel the whole thing articulate back and forth.
Interesting.
Front wheel's gonna go in the air, it's gonna slam on the ground. Rear tire's in the air, you can feel the whole suspension move.
Huh.
There, and then kind of in the ground.
Dude. This makes our baby makes it. This one makes her look a little bad.
What do you guys have?
We have a 2011 F-250 diesel.
Okay.
She's a solid truck, but she doesn't move like this.
Well, yeah, it's just technology. I mean, you said 2011, so a lot changes between the
right.
years. I mean, as long as it pulls the boat, you know, that's all that really matters, right?
Right. Pulls the kayak.
Okay, there you go. It's coming up through the hill here. It's about 33, 35 degrees of incline up here.
Sweet.
So we'll take a nice so you guys have an idea of how it feels. We're just going to kind of crawl through.
Oh, cool.
Roll up here ahead. It doesn't take a lot of effort to get all the way to the top. You can see you look straight to the sky.
How about that? It's like we're on a freaking roller coaster.
Pretty much, it feels like it. And then you're looking right at it. It's kind of like a reference point up there.
No, that's super cool.
You look straight down and then the same degree back down. And so with the Tacomas and 4Runners, they have a kind of car control system that kind of controls itself electronically.
Right on.
And so the Tundras will have it, and Sequoias will have it later this year as well too. There's integrated. It's just tough with a car that big.
Right.
To get the systems worked out.
Now, how does this handle with the trailer on the back of it?
Like a dream. Depends how big the trailer is. But this thing will tow roughly about 10,000, 12,000 pounds.
We're just a little shy of that.
Oh, there you go.
We're only off of that by about, I don't know, 9,000 pounds or so.
But totally, yeah. I mean, but you have a full-size bed on the back of your F-250, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, so you can technically fill the kayaks back there if you want to.
Oh, that's how we used to roll.
There you go.
But you can only do that for so long, for 7 days a week until your back starts to hurt.
That's true. And here, you can see the whole bank. You stick your hand out the window if you really wanted to and
touch the ground.
Oh, yeah. Right up on the curve up there. Come on down. Now here, kind of when you guys typically have a mound, we're getting up off the lakeshore bed. Big old mound up here. So the front tire is in the air right now, spinning on through. Feel all the way through. Rockside doing its job, coming on down.
Nice.
Right there through. That's awesome.
That's very awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for hanging out in the air conditioning with us.
I was going to say, I'm going to spin this around and take a picture with you if you don't mind, if that's cool. Awesome.